Introducing the Prepac Elite Armoire Wardrobe Closet, a perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability for your home storage needs. This elegant white wardrobe closet, measuring 32 inches wide, 35 inches high, and 20 inches deep, is finished in a durable laminate, ensuring both aesthetic appeal and longevity. With its ample storage space, the Prepac Elite Armoire offers a substantial internal capacity of 18.75 inches deep, 30.25 inches wide, and 59 inches high, making it an ideal solution for organizing your clothes and accessories. Designed to be versatile and functional, this wardrobe closet doubles as a portable closet and a pantry. Whether you need additional storage in your bedroom or a sleek cabinet for your kitchen, the Prepac Elite Armoire adapts effortlessly. It enhances your existing closet system, offering a seamless home organization solution that meets various needs, from storing clothes to kitchen essentials. Crafted from high-quality CARB2 compliant laminated composite woods, this storage cabinet is built to last. The robust construction not only ensures durability, but also adds a touch of sophistication to any room. Its chic white finish elevates the aesthetic appeal, making it a stylish addition to your home decor. Worried about assembly? The Prepac Elite Armoire comes flat-packed with a detailed instructional booklet, making the setup process straightforward and hassle-free. This space-smart design maximizes your storage within a compact footprint, fitting seamlessly into any room. Whether used as a kitchen cabinet or a bedroom wardrobe, the Prepac Elite Armoire offers the perfect balance of functionality and style. Upgrade your home storage with the Prepac Elite Armoire Wardrobe Closet. Experience the convenience, versatility, and elegance it brings to your living space. Order yours today and transform your home organization.